Today we have the CLS 550 Mercedes, and we will fix the misfire that it got on the original module, which is inside of this car right now. The car is running rough. Let me show you. So, with the misfire, take out the key, put it inside, twist it, turn it, start the car, and now you can actually see how the car is shaking. All right. Check engine light is blinking. Now we will remove the module, the ECM. We have a replacement for him. We will transfer the data from the original module, put it into the replacement, put the replacement into the car, and then see if the misfire is present. Let's get to it.
The ECU on these older Mercedes is located on top of the module.
As we can see here in the video, they put it right there, which is right in the middle. You pop the hood, open it. You pop the hood and the module is right there looking at you. Now what we will do is we'll take out all of the plastic covers just so that way we can get to it. We will take this out and then we'll transfer the information from it. We have the original module out and we have the replacement module, so we encountered a problem here. As you can see, the part number, which is A273-153-5179, is different than the one that the replacement module is at, A273-153-5579. So what we'll try and do is we'll try and find the replacement right now and see if that will fix the problem. Meanwhile, we'll open this one up and check it and see potentially maybe we can repair this. So let's get to it. Come on, show me.
Oh my gosh, I never seen it. Yeah, hell yeah.
This is amazing, isn't it?
Holy shit. Oh my.
One.
Hey, go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's good. It's good, isn't it?
Oh man, what the fuck, bro?
Don't worry. Yeah, that's what the A mode does to you, dog. There you go.